Hello, Assalamu alaikum. So today is our first day how to do live trading. So as you can see on the screen, so on the left side on my mobile the demo account is open for the trade, and on the right side you can see that this is the chart of gold. So first, whenever you come and you want to do the trade, you don't want to go directly as like buy or sell. You have to see first your entry point, exit point, take profit, take loss, and everything. So I analyze market before coming live. So as you can see, market is going on the downside, but market yesterday market hit 57, and now it right back up and hit 75, and two times market rejected here. So I put my setup here. As you can see, on 72 is our entry point, and 2674.486 is our hedging point, not stop loss. And today if you go to Forex Factory, so there is a big news at 6:30. Two newses, one two news, and market will be volatile at that time. So we'll check everything. 6:30. So I made my setup. I'll also put my entries like a pending order here. So with every $1,000 you have to put 0.03. So my demo account is $10,000. So we will put 0.30. So here our sell limit order is open. So there are two three things you have to see before going, because let's suppose you come at any time, don't ever go directly in the market and put your trades without any knowledge or just going for just buy and sell. First, see what is going on, where the market is going ahead, because today's market is in the middle right now. Market is not, you can't see any clear picture. You have to, whether market will go in one way, whether it will go from 16, right now market is on 69, market will go up to 78, then retrace back to 72, 73, and then go back up. Market never goes in one direction, market always go in zigzag. So two possibilities, one is market go like this hit here, go here, and then go like this. Second is market go here, as market goes before, hit back here and goes like this. So these are the two possibilities today in the market, and we are going for sell today. And my setup is as you can see, but first, once let's suppose your entry point has done and you are in the market. First, for example, your entry has been executed, for example, then you have to wait for like 10 points. Let's suppose market is on 72 and market goes down to 70, then you have to take a little profit. You have to book profit once you are in profit, and then you have to make 10% profit. For example, there has to be three targets. I'll show you three targets. First, after 20 pips. Second, after 100 pips. And uh, third is for swing trade. So what that mean? So for example, on 72 market hit 72 and goes down. So after 20 pips you have to book your profit, and you also have to make a break even. Break even means that once you are in profit, you have to take your SL. Like right now we are discussing, like we have a point where we will make a hedging, not SL, because SL is that you have taken your SL and you that particular price, whatever the amount is your, that it will be deducted from your capital. But we will do the hedging point. It will only work. Let's suppose you have $1,000, so you have to take a proper lot size, and the proper lot size from my experience is for every $1,000 you should use 0.03 lot size, not maximize, because if you do higher lot size there will be higher chance to wash your account, and everybody wants that, like brokers, and everybody wants to suck your capital. So never ever do that. Always use 0.03 lot size for your capital. And right now market is just ding 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 ding, and I saw an opportunity, so I put my trade on my account. Sometimes it doesn't hit your entry point and just go from here, but sometimes it also hit. So just be patient. Patience is a key. If you don't have patience, don't come and do the trade, because you will lose all your money. And I'll tell you, for every $1,000, 0.03 lot size. So these are the two things you must understand before doing a trade. And for analyze, I'll tell you how to analyze the market. First, market doesn't go in one way. Market always go like zigzag, or it goes like this. Even market wants to fall down, market will never go in a straight line, it will go like this. So, well, let's suppose you want to go buy. So these are the points to catch up for the buy side. And even market is going down, so these are the higher points you must catch for the downside. So today market will go one way or another because there is a news at 6:30, and we'll see what will happen. So if you are watching my channel, then this is the first setup. For example, this is the first setup that I'll go for the sell. For example, my key doesn't go in our way and it goes another way, then there will be like a same lot size at 2674. I will open according to $1,000 0.03. For example, we are going for the sell with $1,000. If you don't have $1,000, don't come and do the trade, because there is a high risk on your capital that they can take out from you. You will do the trade, but after like 2 days, 3 days, if you don't use proper lot size, you will wash your account. So for $1,000 0.03, I'll again say this is the proper perfect lot size for $1,000 capital. So for example, on 72, on $1,000 we put 0.03 lot size. So if you count, it's like $3. So so our entry is on 72. So after, like, let's suppose market hits 72 and goes down, so first thing I'll do is the break even. I'll put my hedging point to the same point, then there is no risk in this trade. Second thing, that after market hits 70, so it's called 20 pips, so I'll be earning on 0.03 $6. So I will, while doing partial closing, I will close 0.01 lot size and I will earn $2 and I'll make a break even. Then after that, from 72 to 62, that's my second target. Here I'll wait for 62 to close my second partial close at 0.01. So I will earn in that $10, and the rest is for the swing trade, because to leave $1 for the swing trade, because let's suppose today's market is here, after 3-4 days market is going at 2611. If you left every time something, once you do the trade you will earn something and you will not regret, oh, before 2 days I was doing something and now it's not going. So just wait, we have time, because the news is on 6:30 and market will move today. And we put our trade on our mobile, as you can see, pending order on 72. So for the hedging point we will also put with the same lot size. So today, and today there's no not a proper clear picture because right now market is moving in the middle. If you want to go for the buy, the perfect buy is on 2650. But we will see what happens. And one more thing, let's suppose the news is on 6:30. Never ever do trade on the news time. If you want to go or if you want to grab a big volatile market, go before like 1 hour or 2 hours, because once the news is coming before 30 minutes, market will not follow any structure. And what I'm and the basis of this trade is, first is you have to see the rejections. As you can see, market yesterday market go down and then back up to 75, then go down, then 75. And first thing is this. Second thing is price action. So I'll tell you how price action works. So in every, like for example, so this is 2600 and this is 2700. So this is all $100 move. So for example, how from 2690 and to 2700, how market moves in this $10, market will move exactly the same in 2590 to 2600. So for example, right now market is moving in this zone in 2660 to 2770. How the market behaves in this $10, market will behave in every 10 this $10 wherever the market is. Like for example, market is in 2560 and 2570, that $10 which is down, market will behave the same. The points will be the same from where the market will reject and go back up. So market right now is on 2670. This is the sell zone right now because market is coming from down. So we'll see whether this setup will work or not. So market is on 2670.81 and we are waiting. So as you can see, market is getting rejected, and this is the time you have to be patient. You don't have to go whether it will open your sell limit or not, but you have to wait for what you think is the best. Market hit 2671.343 but didn't hit 2672. But we'll wait because if we go here, then the difference will be bigger. And sometime market always do this, not always, but most of the time. That if you see here, market was just 50 cents, 5 pips, and market doesn't open our trade. But we will still wait and see how it goes. You need patience for this. And what you see on Facebook and Insta that in 5 minutes make $1,000. That's not true because this game is made for rich people, not for poor people. And there are groups, they are taking money and giving you signals, and the people are going just, they don't know whether the person is doing the right thing or wrong, they are just following. Don't do this. I will not recommend because one day if you follow like one or two setups, good setups, you will earn enough money. The problem is people don't have come with the right amount of capital and they are going with the big lot sizes, and that's why they lose their money. Just wait for your opportunity, see how things are going. And our first entry is on 72 for the sell side, and the second entry, like hedging point, we don't take SLs, and I also don't recommend because that's the thing that once you take SL, most of the time it will hit your SL and goes down in that direction which you are thinking. Even today, for example, market hits 72 and also hit our hedging point, then the setup fails. Then your priority is not to take profit from this trade. The only priority is just to make break evens. Then you have to wait. For example, market comes up and goes up to 80, for example. Once market is on the upside, it can go like, for example, market goes hit 75 and goes down. Even then, once market goes down 10%, like 100 pips, I will make break even both entries, and then so in both entries the difference is 20 pips. So in my demo account the amount is $10,000 and I am taking 0.30 lot size, so it's $30. So if you count with 72 and 74, it's 20 pips, and in the dollars it's $60. So my $60 will be stuck in the market. So first thing is, I will see the next day why how the market is going, whether it will come back or not. So my first priority is to make another trade and cover up this $60. Not wait for like market is going in one direction and I am praying like market comes back and I'll break even in these trades. Okay, you have to see the situation. You have to follow the situation because what you are thinking and how the market is working is two different things. So as you can see, market hit 71.544 and it's going down. You never know, it can also happen like market doesn't go to 72 and fall from here like tick tick tick. Even then the setup is gone. Then I'll see whether there's another opportunity for buy, because for me the buy is on 50. And also remember this 2650, if market is above this you should go for the buy mostly. Once 2650 is, because there is a support everywhere, like if market is in 2550 or 2450, this is the main point. If market is down from 2650 like 48 47, then it's like a proper sell. You can go for the sell, you can take from 2650. See where you can hedge, and the hedging point is also has to be smaller, then you can recover that money if you are stuck in the situation. Don't put like 100 pips or 200 pips, because then, and also use proper lot size. With every $1,000 use 0.03. The people who give like full margin trades and blah blah blah, because and they are saying that free signals in Telegram. So what they want from you is they don't tell, because anything in this world there is nothing for free. So what they do is they make your account link with their account. It's called referral link. They will send you the link, they will ask you to make an account and do the trade with us with this account. So with every lot you put in the market they make money, like with like 0.03 na. So 0.99 is $99 and 1.00 is one lot. So with every lot, one lot, they make $16 from one person. And imagine how many people they have in their group, and every day they are giving 6 7 signals because they want you to do our trading. And once you do the hour trading, then you will put more lots size and do more trades in the market, and they earn money. So market is on 2668. Hmm. So we still have time because 1 hour is left, and we'll see what happens in the market, whether market comes and hit our sell point or not. Even if not, then you don't have to panic or go just like right now if I put my trade here, because the rejections, two times rejections are on 75, so I put my hedging point there. Even if I go on 70 or even right now on 68, the problem is the hedging point there will be like 60 pips, and with my account it will be my $180 will be stuck in the market in one trade, and I don't want that. So I'll wait, because if you want to do a trade, you need two things. One is capital, and people come in the trading and they put that amount. They first thing, it's good that you have to put that amount. If even you lose that amount, it will not damage, or you will not feel in your personal life anything. If even it's gone, it's gone. But remember, capital is the backbone in the trading industry. The more capital you have, the stronger backbone will be, and it will help you to earn money. So I put my targets. You can see proper, like first is 20 pips. Second, you have to close in partial closings. First, you have to choose a broker. You can choose any broker you like XNS, Okta, whatever. Then in that, you can first you have to put your capital, and then you have to choose proper lot size. Never ever use big lot size. Always use proper lot size according to your capital. And pips are cents. I'll explain first. For example, market is right now on 2668.11. So the 11s are the cents. So from 0 1 cent to 100 cents is 10 pips. So for example, market is right now is 2668.3. So now it's going down to 667.81, 72. As you can see, like the cents, like 100 cents are 10 pips. So after $2, if you count $2, it's 20 pips, and $100 is 100 pips are $10, like from 2670 to 2660. So the difference is $10. And in every broker, you can first, let's suppose you put your trade and now you are in profit, for example. So you can do partial closing. Always, once you are in profit, always close your entries. After 20 pips, close some profit. Like for example, you put $10, for example. So after 20 pips, close your $3, and the rest you can first you make a break even, and the rest you can wait for 10%. And 10% is much more from the market, because the people, what people make mistake is, for example, right now yesterday my kid goes down from 2697 to 2656. People come and they want all this downside, and by luck you can, in one trade you can have this all, but not every time. So always make a break even, and always book some profit once you are in profit. So as you can see, market is on 2667. Market is going down, and it doesn't open our trade today, but we will still wait. What gonna happen, we'll see. You just need a small, like for example, there is a cake. You just need one slice from it. You don't go for the whole cake, because let's suppose you put your trade and you are waiting for 100 pips or 200 pips, and it goes in profit like 60 70 pips, and then it goes reverse, and then you are in loss. The most dumb person, if he sees his profit and doesn't book. So always book your profit once you are in profits. So at 5, right now it's 5:43, and 6:30 there will be news, and we'll see which side market will go. If you want to learn anything, or you are stuck in trading like in a loss or something, you can contact us. I can help you. In our intro video, in the last, there will be my contacts, Gmail and mobile WhatsApp number. You can text me or call me if you have any question related to trading, or if you are a new person and wants to start. I can give you suggestion if you are the person for this or not. And every broker and the people who have groups and they are asking money to join and everything. The problem is the point they are using for marketing is wrong. They are just showing you glamorous, like you can come and make big houses, cars. It is possible, but you need capital. It's not for everybody or for middle class people, that the person who only has only $1,000 or in rupees 10 lakh or 20 lakh, and they start this and they lose all their money because they see what people are doing and they come, and they also think that they can jump and make a lot of money, and they lose all the money. They give all the money to the market. If you have any question, you can comment, and we'll wait whether our entry works or not. Right now, market is very slow. And every time you don't have to go with smaller time frame. Always go with higher time frame like H1 or H4, because if you want to see the clear picture, it always come in the higher time frame, not in lower time frames. So always use H1. I always use H1, and every time I use these targets. First is the small target, second is if I hit like 100 pips, my day is good. And the third is I always left something from every trade for the swing. Most of the time it always not. Most of the time it hit also the break even, but once market is in only one direction, I make a lot of money that day. So even before I started live session, I set up my trade, and my kid doesn't open my trade and hit 2671.5. But we'll see what happens. Right now, my gate is stuck. It's moving very slow. And there are a lot of pairs you can go and pair like BTC, metals, and but I recommend you to if you're a new person and you are going to start trading, just choose one or two pairs because you will learn a lot. If you are going and every day you are jumping and going with different setups, you will not learn anything. You have to choose one setup and follow only one person, and always go for like mentorships who can uh, teach you properly, not go for the signals, because okay, you will earn something but you will not learn something. Person, for example, if he shut down everything, then you will not do anything, because you are going to depend on the person whenever he will give signals and everything, and then you will learn everything. So go and study first and start with demo accounts. Learn the lot size, what are the chart patterns, what are the price action means, and two things you have to learn also, like fundamental analysis, the geopolitical, like if there is any war going on, market will fly in one way, and that's the best opportunity to earn money. So you have to see a lot of things before doing trade. It's not like they make a setup like even the brokers that it's a very easy thing. Even you see their advertisement, they are saying like buy just, if you see their advertisement properly, they will not uh, tell you will not see any loss there. You will see like people are sleeping and earning money. You just have to do is just to deposit money and start today and make some money and become rich. The negative part they don't tell is the loss. And in this game or in this trading industry, the loss is permanent. The only thing you have to do is minimize your loss. It's not like, let's suppose today I put my trade, for example, if it's goes not in my direction and goes in other direction. So I what I am doing is hedging. So I am minimizing my loss. For example, my kit hits both and goes up and never comes down. So okay, so I'm not closing my position, but my money is stuck. I can't withdraw my money. That like $60 will be stuck in the market. So I have to make another plan, but I have time. The next day I have one more opportunity to fix this. Even you are taking like SL is also good, but the problem with SL is whatever you put in the uh, like if you see in my mobile, my sell limit and buy stop is already opened. They knew what I'm going to do. So today, if you see on my full screen on Chrome in trading view, market hit 2671.54 and goes down to 2667. So they most not most of the time, but sometimes it all also happen this because they know what are you doing. because if let's suppose if market hit 2672 and my sell limit was open, I already made about like 6150 dollars. But this is market, anything can happen. So the people who take SLs, they also put in their computer, like for example they are going for sell on 2672 and on 2680 for example they put their SL. They know everything. So what they will do is they will go take all the SLs and grab all the money in their pockets and goes down. So let's suppose if you want, even you want to take SLs, always remember, have everything in your mind. And once the time comes, for example you put your trade and it doesn't go in profits and it's only going in the loss, you have to make your mind so strong that once that SL point comes, you must click that button and get out of the market. Because one thing is, you become easy, you will be easy if you put your things in the market, but the problem is they know where your SLs are, they know where your TPs are. So I don't recommend that you put everything in the market. Always set up your things in your mind and do it once it the time comes. So after 30 minutes the news is coming and we'll see whether market goes down or up. So here if you see market reject on the same point. Hmm. So if anybody wants to go for the buy, this is the point, 2664.90. Because if you see here, market rejects here and goes down. So this is the point, and market is rejecting here. And right now market is in the middle. There is no proper clear picture for the trade. But we made one setup and market doesn't hit here. We'll see what happens. Because you have to take a chance. If you are a day trader, you have to take a chance whether market will go in one way. The only thing is whether our entry points opens or not. That's the only thing, because one time market, when I set up my thing, market was on this green candle. Like 4 o'clock, I started and analyzed the market and everything, and I put my entry on 72, and market only come up to 2671.544. But we'll see what happens. After 30 minutes there's a news. And also one more thing, on Monday and Friday don't do trade, because it's like it's the game of psychology. So on Friday there will be like 2 days there will be no trade, so people do over trading. And on also on Monday, like there was like Saturday Sundays off, so on Monday people wants to earn more money, and they also know that people are desperate and there is there's more manipulation in the market. And if there is any big news, then you can go and Go for a trade, but I will not recommend on Monday and Friday to do trade. Just do trade on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If there is any big news, then you can go on that day. If there is not, then don't do it. I will not recommend. So for the analysis, you only need three, four things. The less things you do, because you don't need indicators or everything. You just need some basic knowledge. Because I am doing trading for like 4 years, and I only know one setup and one strategy, which is price action. So in every dollars, like if you like from 2600 to 2700, so if you count in the middle, it's $100. So in every, like for example, from 2700 to 2800, so how the market will move in every dollar, it will move in every $100. For example, market is right now at 2668, and market for example goes down to 2660. From 2670 to 2660, this is like $10. How the market behave in this $10, it will behave same in 2560 or 2460. Wherever the market is, it will behave, the behavior of the market or the price action will be the same. So you just have to see, because I have been here for years, so I know in every like $10 how market behaves. And you also remember like 2650, this is the main point. Above mostly goes for the buy side, from down like 2648 or 49 go for the sell. And remember, every market moves in a waves. If you see like a sea is moving in a waves, market always move like a wave. Yesterday market moves like a wave in the downside, so that's why I'm going for the sell. That's my first thing which I see in the market. If market is coming down and going like this, I'll definitely go for the buy. 6 o'clock, so after 30 minutes the news is coming, so we'll wait and we'll see what happens. Market is going up and 2669.07. Wait for the news, because at the news time market will move one way or another, and we'll see what happens. Right now market is moving very slow. and after 30 minutes they will market will be volatile, so be ready. And always go every day. You need only more or less one or two setups. You don't need more than that. For according to me, the more chances, and whatever the news comes, the more chances are my kid goes here and go down. Even if you see, because the low and the highs, because the previously this was the support here, 64. So my kid comes back here, goes here, rejected from here, then back up, then comes down here. Even on this week, there was a news, and this was all manipulation. My kid goes for the sell and rejected on 64, and then right back up, even in that hour, and goes on this one. So whenever the news comes, most not most of the time, but sometimes my kid moves like negatively, like what you see and what will happen. These are the two different things. So what they do is they do go for like sell. This will in the starting, this candle was all red, and everybody on that day was going for sell, sell, sell. When everybody goes for sell, they goes for back up and go in the buy direction. So now my kid is coming back up. You need patience for this. Even right now, I can go for like trade. Like here, I can put my setup. But we will wait. We'll see what happens. If you don't have patience and you are aggressive person, don't come in the trading, because this market is, you need patience. Market is 2670. So this is the last week. I will only change one thing: buy limit. 70.20, confirm. Because you see these wicks, my kid can come here and reject from anywhere here and go down. And if it goes up, it will go up to, it can go up to 88 or 80, then goes down. Even then, our entry points are not bad. because even the market goes in the 70s or 80s, then you can consider market again on the bull side, because in 60s it's in the middle, market can go either way. But in 80s or 90s, market will go up and up. But even then, we have like a chance that market comes back up, hit 70 and then go up. After 22 minutes, there will be news. Market can make a spike, but we'll see what happens. Even today, if the setup doesn't go, or if it doesn't allow or doesn't open our trade, you don't have to panic, or you don't have to be worried about. Okay, it's not your day that your trade doesn't open, and you can wait for the next day. Even you get loss, or if you're taking SLs, even you get, yeah, like your SL hits, you don't have to be get panic. You can wait for the next day, because the next day, if you wait the next day, there will be more opportunities, and there will be a fresh start for you. So after 22 minutes, there are two news coming. So even now, if you see, market is just in the middle, moving in the middle, like 2678, 69, or 70. It's not moving in one direction. Always wait for your setup. Don't panic, because the market, if you sit in front of the market, they make you feel like you have to go, and whatever you are thinking is not right. But you must go whatever you think is best for you, and always save your capital. The only thing you must learn is how to save your capital, because once you are saving your capital, the earnings will come. It's not a problem. So market is on 2670, very close to our entry point. After 19 minutes, the news is coming, and market will go in one direction. If you have any question related to trading or you are in loss or something, you can comment and you can contact us. In the previous intro video on the last, there are my contacts, Gmail and WhatsApp number. You can contact us and I will help you. And right now we have made our setup and we are waiting for the execution. So we'll see what happens, whether market goes in our favor or market goes in other direction. If you want, you can open on 2670, but the only thing is your hedging point, or if you are taking SL, just put after 2675. So in my account, if you see, the amount is 10,000. That's why I'm using 0.30 lot size. If I was going with $1,000, I would use 0.03. After 15 minutes, there will be news and we'll see what happens. There is only two things which can happen, whether I'll be right or I'll be wrong. If I am wrong and market goes in not in my direction, then I have a backup plan of hedging point. If not, I hope it opens my trade. Even then, my analysis is saying that market will go down. It can go down to 2650 to 2620, and this video is only for education. You can learn, and if you don't understand anything and you want to ask, you can comment us. I will give you an answer. I also manage accounts for the people. If you want us to do trade, we can also do that for you. For that, you have to contact us and we will see. Right now we are waiting for the news, and the news is on 6:30 p.m. Park time. We'll see, and I'll teach you how to see the news. You don't have to go what is going this and that. The only thing is, if you see this, like this is red and these numbers are green, so these are the news of US dollars, what impacts and what is going on and what are the what their decision they are making for the US dollars, and this pair is like gold slash US dollar. So if there is any negative impact on US dollar, market goes in buy. I'll write here, if I am texting for the people who don't even know about trading, comes market or you take buy, and if Platinum comes, go for sell. This thing I have written the news for the people who don't even understand, like a basic thing. If news comes out and the numbers are in red, you have to go for the buy. Go for buy if green number comes. If red numbers, like it will be the negative news for US dollars, you should go for no, I have written, sorry. Okay. Sorry, I had written opposite. Go for sell. My king doesn't open our trade and going down very fast, even before news. Now market is moving fast. So remember, you if you want to go for any trade on the news time also, you should set up everything, analysis and everything before like 1 hour or 1.5 hour. Because right now if you come and put buy or sell, then there will be not a clear picture in the market, and your analysis will be zero. And you don't have to panic also, because if you go right now, market will not follow any structure because only 9 minutes are left in the news. And now the only thing is you have to wait whatever happens in the market. People also not recommend to do trade on news because it's a high volatile and you can lose all your money in one trade if you are not using proper lot size. So now we are using proper lot size. As you can see on mobile, market is getting fast and fast, and now you can't do anything. if anybody wants to go for the buy, I think you should wait for 2650, 2651 for the buy. And if news comes and market doesn't go up to our trade like 2672 and goes from here to 2655, then don't follow this trade, because this setup is only for like news. If market hits 27, 267, 273, like even now my there is a possibility that market can make a spike on the upside and goes down, but we will see what happens. 6 minutes are left and market is moving. If you see in the mobile, market is moving very fast and market hits even right now to 2665, but this is not a big support that market can't cross. But only 6 minutes are left. Just wait for the news and we'll see what happens. 5 minutes to go. 4 minutes. As you can see on Forex Factory, Forex Factory is the website where you can see all the newses. If you are doing trade in different pairs, you can see like AUD, JPY, CNY, GBP, Euro, USD. Because we are doing in gold and the pair is also related to USD. That's why we are focusing on this. After 3 minutes, there the market there will be volatility. If you don't set up your trades, don't do it on the time when the news comes, because there will be manipulation and the volume also comes on the news time. And if you are doing trade exactly on that time, you can make wrong decisions. So I will not recommend. If you want to do trade, do it before like 1 hour, make your setup everything, and you must have a plan before going for any trade. If you don't have any plan, then you will make wrong decisions and lose your capital. And they want you to put, and they also, if you don't follow proper lot size, because everybody except you, everybody wants you to do these little mistakes like not using proper lot size and do trades on the news time, exact on news time. And there are some people who don't even know about the news impacts. and they just see the timings, like this time market becomes volatile and they come and do trading. And the people who get stuck in this market most are intraday, like the people who have a lot of money and they can wait uh, like thousand pips that market can't even wash their capital. They put their trade and relax, and their trades are open for months or years because they can handle it, because they have the capital. I'll again say this is the market. These are the markets not for like poor people to make them rich. These are the market for to make rich people more rich. So we'll wait after 1 minute. We'll see what happens. Because right now market is stuck in 60s. You have to be fast. Let's suppose market goes from 67 to 57 and goes back up. You have to close your positions. Okay. News came and market is on 72, and we'll see what's on pending. Even at that time you don't have to panic because you have made your decisions. So it comes, the news comes red, and if according to the news market goes on the top and goes to 80 or 90, you'll see we have our pending order at 75.2. Whether we come in profits or not, we'll see now. Our order is on now on 72. And I am taking 0.30 lot size. You just have to be patient, whether you will make money or not. But don't get panic. As you can see in our mobile, we are almost break even, getting in profits. $18, $12, $9. after 10 pips. So we are getting 10 pips now. As you can see, you have to wait. After 10 pips or 20 pips, take your first profit. And after that, you have to break even. You have to come to close, come 0.10, done. As you can see, we are getting profit, so I will close this. So as you can see, now 0.02 are left. First I will go and cancel my order, and I'll make it break even. Stop loss, continue. So now we make some profit, and we, after 10 pips, we closed one position at $19, and even now we are making $82. So it's up to you whether you want to close all the positions. You can close, like, if you want, because you just need a slice from the market. You don't need all the uh, you don't need all the spike. Whether you see from I came at 5 o'clock and I was waiting for my entry point, and if you see, the news came and hit our entry point and doesn't hit our second, like, hedging point, and it's going in $74. So it can go back up and goes in 80s or 90s, because right now, if you see in my mobile screen, we are getting profits. Like, profits are going on. We have closed some profit, because you have to close some, because let's suppose now my entry point is break even. So let's suppose market comes back and hit our break even, and most of the time break even hits also, because they also don't want you to make money. So it's up to you. If you are following my first setup, you make profits. We are making profits. You just need patience in this market. So now, if you see, we are in profits, and we are also break even on our trade. So there is no loss on our capital. We make pro $20, and we are still making $81. If I want, if anybody are doing trade with us, they can close it in profits, but we will still wait for our 10%. Then I'll close 0.10 lot, and the rest can go. So our setup was very good. Today, our first day, we are making some profit, as you can see on mobile screen. So as you can see, like 10% is going on. So we'll go simply here, partial closing, and we will close, because always book your profits. Now you see market goes back up to 63, but you see like $200 was profit, but we will close half, like we will book some profit and the rest can go. So as you can see, only $10 according to my capital, like in Temu account, because I also doing like some clients accounts and I have like big capital, so I'm using that you can see that how much you can make. So with every $1,000, always remember use 0.03 lot size. So as you can see, we make in our first live session like $19.60, and second we make $80. You can wait for like more $20, but once you see, because right now if you see market is coming back up to 2666, it can go up, back up, it can go down, but we make our profit for the day. And now whether market hit our break even, because once we now we have made our break even, so even market doesn't go there, we made our profits. So this right now, if you watching the mobile screen, we are in profit of $67. We will not take that because we are going to leave it for the swing trade. Because let's suppose tomorrow we came and market is in 2650 and 2640, then we will be thinking like, oh, we made our trade yesterday, whether, oh, if we have waited, that we have take a lot of profit. That's like a human psychology. So for that reason, I always left something for the swing trade. So it's up to you. How I do trade, I am telling you, like how I make a set, how I made my setups, how I made my targets. And you can see here like target first is 20 pips, second is 100 pips, and third is swing trade. Not every day you make profits. There will be some days. Even today, I was waiting for my setup to be executed. I could go in the market, like go and just do like sell or buy, but the problem was my uh, money which will be stuck, like because I don't take SLs, I only do hedgings. Like not to take SL, do hedging, then money which will be in the middle. If it's $3 with like 10, for example, if you are doing with 1,000 and you are doing like 0.03 lot size, it's $3. So with every dollar, $3 will be stuck. So for that reason, I only do hedgings. And I don't, let's suppose today, if it doesn't hit our entry point and goes down there, it's not a problem. That's not your day. You have to wait for the next day to come and start fresh, not go and uh, get your mind like stuck or get depressed at why, because market will not go how you are thinking. Market will move how they want to make. So as you can see, today is our first live session and we are making profits. If you need anything, any question you have, you can comment, like, and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you are stuck in any position or you need any help, in our first intro video, there in the last there will be my contacts. You can contact us, or if you have capital and you want to do trading with us, you can contact us and we can chat. So as you can see in our mobile, we are in profits. So in closed, you can see we have booked our almost $100, and the rest $74 are going. We can also take that if you want. That's totally up to you. And it's also not an easy job to do because your emotions, everything counts. Because there are some people, let's suppose they make money in one trade, for example, they think that it's nothing, it's very easy. So they go for one more entry and they are stuck. Because once you are taking any trade, you are taking a risk with your capital. If it's calculated risk, that's okay. That you made a proper plan before execution, that you know that where is your entry point, where is your SL or hedging point, where is your targets of getting profits from the market. Because there's a lot of time market, let's suppose market right now, if you see, we are here from 2 hours, market goes in the sell side, and even right now market has still have potential go right back up to 80 or 90. And the only thing market mostly moves when the big days comes or there is any news. And in both, and on both time, the market doesn't follow any structure like price action or something. It will move like very fast. And the and if you want to go on that time, you made your setup before, at, like for example at 6:30 or 7 o'clock there's a news, you should be ready before like 2 hours. Not at 7 o'clock you should like going and opening your setup, and like 7 o'clock there's a news and you just go like by yourself. Because at that time market is so fast that you will make wrong decisions in the market. So as you can see, market hit down to almost 60, 60, yeah, 60.676. And now market is right back up to 2666, because they don't want, because now everybody sees the red candle and everybody's going for sell. And now right now market is going back up. So because they want to make your mind that you have done a wrong decision, that's why they don't go in a full one direction. If you see now, the candle is red, from red to green. If you open H1, so this was a spike. If you see in M1 on mobile, if you see on mobile, so our entry was there, and there was another entry for buy if you are watching from 5 o'clock, and this was my entry point, and we made profit and we are still in profits. Even it hit break even, it doesn't matter because we have done our day with profits. If anybody is watching and they took a trade, they will be in profits, you can comment us. So at every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'll be here and I'll do the live trading with basic knowledge. I don't use any indicators or like how people like to, like, it's not a fancy game or fashion game. It's just simple thing. You just need some learning, because my entry points are based on price action. And You also need to know where the support and resistance are. Then you know that what are the targets you can have, and some basic knowledge of hourly charts, like in the big time frames, how the market moves. You can have clear pictures. So I'll be here at Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 days a week for 2 hours, 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. If anybody wants to learn, they can watch my stream. I'm doing it live stream that you can learn better. So let's suppose you made one setup. Right now we have made one setup and we make our profit. We don't have to go and do more trades. Let's suppose you do loss or you go in hedging or SL. Once your SL is hit in a day, you can go for one more shot. In that case, once you are in profit, don't go for more, because the more trades you go, there are more chances that you will be stuck in the market. So don't go, because to putting trades in the market is dangerous. So today our setup was done. Even in my intro video, I told that I only take two setups a day. I see in the morning, because I'm a day trader, full day trader, and so in the morning I see whether things, if I see any opportunity, I took one trade, and in the evening time I took one trade if there is any opportunity. So today I was watching the market and I see one trade, and we perfectly execute the trade, and we are in profits. And as you can see, I forgot to tell you, like I told you, like if these numbers are on red, marquee should go on the upside. But as I written here also, so this is like a manipulation game for them. Like, you can't rely on anything here. You must have experience and everything to know what will happen, because there will be some people like who are just doing trade according to the news. the people who knows. So according to the news, if you see, the news comes in negative numbers. So according to that, market should not go like this low, it should go like on the upside. And out here, even on 75 or 74, even on 75, 74, everybody goes for buy today because of the news, if you see. But we made, because you need experience also, because once you have experience, you know how the market moves. So we make our profit today, and that's it. We are still going in profits. Even now we are in like $52 profit is going on. We booked some profits, and I told you how to do it. If you don't understand anything or you need any assistance, you can comment us or you can contact us. In the intro video at the last, there will be my contacts if you have any queries or related to trading, or if you want to learn or something. So 5 minutes to go. I'll close my live session at 7 o'clock every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'll be live and I'll do the trade live. You can watch and learn if you want. So market is holding in 60s because this is the 60s is the point, like from 2660 to 2670 is in the middle. Market can go either way because of the war, and there was a crash like a month ago. That's why market is going above. Market goes down just to grab liquidity or SLs of the people, just to take out from there and to flush their capital and to remove them from the trading level. So that's why you have to be careful that everything you do is before doing, you must have a plan. So if you have any questions related to trading, you can comment and I'll give the answer. later. So now it's almost 7 o'clock. So I'll meet you in tomorrow, same time at 5 o'clock. If you like the setup and if you understand everything, please subscribe our channel and I'll meet you tomorrow. And we are still in profits. Even what I will have left, it's almost $90. And I'll meet you inshallah tomorrow. So I'm going to end this live. If you have any problems or you are in loss in trading, you can contact us. You can watch our intro video at the last. There are my contacts. You can contact us and I'll help you. I'll see what can I do for you. See you inshallah tomorrow at same time 5 o'clock.